If your app show users low-level error messages like user exists but have password mismatch, JWT expired at time so 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 and so, role admin is required to access certain endpoint, etc. Then congratulations, you just scared your users and of course expose certain secrets about your backend structure. But not to worry, let's talk about how errors should actually be handled. Not all errors are meant for the users. As engineers, we return only actionable errors. The rule is simple. If users can fix it, then show it to the users. Never return stack trace, SQL error, API keys, or some frameworks errors like null pointer exception, SQLized database exception, unhandled promise rejection, because that is not transparency, it is insecurity. Error messages can reveal how your system works. For example, email not found. Just tell attackers that the email does not exist, so they probably try another email. Password incorrect just tells attackers that the email is found, but this time they probably need to guess another password. Table user v2 does not exist. Just reveal an information about your database structure. But here is a better approach. Instead of email not found or password incorrect, we can say invalid credential. And instead of table user v2 does not exist, we can say something went wrong, please contact support. But wait, what about some UI best practices? 1. Use inline errors for form. 2. Use toast or snack bar for temporary issues. 3. Use modal for blocking errors. 4. Never alert spam. And lastly, if you're building industry standard mobile apps, use inline clear validations and not some random snack bars everywhere. Now, let's try to make sense of the whole thing. The errors that users see should never be the errors that engineers work with. Errors have two audience, internal audience and external audience. Internally, errors should be loud, detailed, and brutally honest. This is where we log the full stack trace, request ID, device information, and any other non-sensitive information that could help us to reproduce and fix these errors fast. We can log these errors in Sentry, CloudWatch, or any other logging platform that could help us to achieve this. Externally, errors should be quiet and helpful. Users don't need to know that your backend failed, your database timed out, or your token expired. They just need to know what happened in their world and what they should do next. And someone might want to ask, how can I sync my backend errors with my mobile app such that to know what to and what not to show users? And for that, you can use both status code and error enum. Having said this, permit me to end this by saying that every error your app handles gracefully is an opportunity for you to earn trust from